Alright, it's been too long. Now we need to check for all the issues. It is so much louder with these solid motor mounts. You can hear everything, the clutch chatter, like the motor, everything. I can just hear it with these solid mounts. Let's drive. A whole new experience. The solid mounts just change everything. Not gonna lie, this is not too comfortable. This is a race car with luxury features, like a heated steering wheel and heated seats, and it still has AC. That's about it. Everything else is just race car. Oh wait, no, I take that back. We got those privacy covers right there in the back. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of worried to do a pull. Oh my god. That's quick. Oh yeah, we're going way too high. We're over boosting for sure. I need to go back home and figure that out. Freaking S5 just happens to pass by right now, man. Yeah, no. I'm not overboosting like that. I think I solved their overboost problem. I go ahead and pull up MHD monitor. That was insane. I was breaking loose on PS4S's with pump gas. That's not right. Yeah, I knew something was wrong. So the max solenoid ports mixed up last night. That's normal. There we go. Much better. Good side. No codes. No codes. Hooks. Oh my god. Woo! These PS4S's are so good. Basically, everything in this car is upgraded besides the pistons and rods at this point. And that's up next. My favorite thing about this car now, with this 8.8, it gives this little whine. I don't know if you can hear this in the video, but there's just something about the freaking screaming straight six that's just freaking fun. You hate this thing when it's broken, but when it's running, and it's running good, there's nothing better than it. Nothing! Huge thing about having this built N54, it's not really a luxury car anymore. That'll be the topic of my next video.